Okay, 2 minutes. I want to troubleshoot two things to do with the Hole Wizard and cosmetic threads. So, first of all, we're going to actually apply the cosmetic thread using the Hole Wizard, a straight tap, and it's an M20 hole that I need of a 2mm pitch. We're going to go to put it into the right place, which is in the middle of my drawing here. I'm going to go back to type, and it's to show you one other problem. I'm going to use the up to surface end condition, and you'll see now the two problems that I want to fix. One, I can't see that this is threaded, and two, I've got a bit of a flange that I didn't want here. So what I wanted was a straight through hole, but I was left with a flange. Now, if you're already used to using the hole feature, you're going to say, well, you're an idiot, you didn't do this and this. Well, of course, I'm not here to show you. I'm here to show you if you're confused as to why you've been left here. So, first of all, I want this to show as a thread. I'm going to go to Options, Document Properties, Detailing, and flick on Shaded Cosmetic Threads. Problem number one, solved. Problem number two, with this flange here, I used the wrong end condition. Should just go blind and make sure that my tap is going through where I need it to, but not further. 46mm it put in randomly, but that will work for me. Now I don't have the flange. So that's cosmetic thread shown, no weird flange, two problems solved in 2 minutes.